everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then sometimes I throw out a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, if you want to see what I got in this brown box, y'all know what y'all need to do. You need to click on my subscribe button so we can go ahead and jump straight into this hair unboxing. So y'all click. Let me give you a few seconds. Okay, you click. All right, so you subscribe to your girl. So with that being said, like I said, I did just get this in the mail, and of course I wanted to do a unboxing with you all to share what I got. I'm like, okay, Miss Tamika, what's with all the unboxings? I know it looks like I probably been shopping a lot, but like I said, I had money left over from Christmas, so I started, using my Christmas money to purchase these here gifts. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the unboxing. But before I jump into the unboxing, y'all, look at my sweater. I got it at Walmart. It was on clearance for $9. It's like a long sweater, and I have on like a tank from Forever 21, and I got the tights. I can't wait to throw this on with the black tights to match in this here sweater, and then I got the tan set with the tights. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing, y'all. And I did mention last year that I was getting this item, so y'all already, if y'all watch my videos, y'all probably know what this is. To unboxing the item, I like FedEx over UPS sometimes, because FedEx usually gets your stuff a lot faster.
Yeah, I'm working with a little space, so I'm trying to open it without.
Oh boy, can y'all guess what it is? I did order this particular item from the Saks Fifth Avenue, a wine voucher for $100. Y'all know when I do my unboxings, I get so excited, especially when I love what I purchase. Just a matter of seeing it in person, y'all. So I did purchase the mini. I did purchase the mini. I had to get the mini because I got two smalls. Now I got the mini. I wanted to get the mini because I had an issue with my teddy tote. Again, I will be doing a video on that. I wanted to order the mini because I wanted to see how mini it is. Like, is it practical for me? Like, can I use this as an everyday bag? I'm sure I can, because if I have those crossbody bags that I use and they work just fine, I'm sure this here will work fine. The only issue that I have with this particular mini is the color, because of the fact that it's black, and I'm not sure within time it's going to look ashy, or is it going to draw a lot of lint or whatever. But I did purchase a lint brush when we were at IKEA's, so hopefully that will help out with lint or anything getting on the bag. This hair bag, I plan to use it like a everyday throw around type of bag. So I wasn't able to catch this bag on sale, but I wanted it so bad. Like, I'm that type of person, if something sticks into my mind, I have to get it, because it would drive me crazy. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and bite the bullet and get the bag. We're going to go ahead and open her. By the way, all my bags are girl bags, so oh my gosh, it's so cute, y'all. Like, look how little she is. She is so cute. It's really cute, y'all. I haven't been in love with a collection in so long. Like, I am loving, and I'm gonna say it again, and I'm gonna say it again. I'm keep on saying it. I am in love with the Marc Jacob tote line. But I think this will be the last tote that I will purchase. The last, because I don't see me purchasing the larger tote, because I like my Longchamp as a travel bag. But again, that can change, because like I said before, I'll say one thing and then I'll be like, hey y'all. But yeah, I'm not looking to purchase that as of right now, because that bag would be more of a travel bag. I'm not looking to travel like that right now. So that bag, if I do ever purchase that bag, it'll be if I'm about to travel. Or got the mini tote. Now, I do wish this mini tote came in more colors, because it only comes in this black, that blue and the slate green. Now if I didn't get the slate green in the small size, I would have gotten the mini in the slate green, but I didn't want to get 2 bags of the same color. I was like, okay, I'll just get black. But if this come in pretty colors like the small, girl may purchase another mini. But as of now, they only have the 3 colors, but that may change, I'm not sure. Here is the tote, and it's just like the small. It has the Marc Jacobs style tote, location NYC, year 1984. This one here was of course the 150, and you have your Marc Jacob tag. I don't normally pull this tag off until I'm 100% sure. Have the zipper, the zipper top. It has a zipper. The only thing that the small tote don't have is an inside pocket. Wishing the mini came with a small pocket, like a zipper pocket, but I'm gonna look and see, because I was watching a few videos on this here small tote. I will be doing a what fits in here, and then I'm gonna also share how a bag organizer look with this here tote. So yeah, this does not come with your side pocket, so that's okay. I mean, I really don't carry a lot in my side pockets anyway, but I don't know, I just like to have it because sometimes I'll throw my AirPods in the side pocket or change and stuff. So I guess I'll just have to use my small little wallets for that. In the inside you get your Marc Jacobs card that tells you how to care for the item. Then you get your black Marc Jacobs strap. Like I said, it doesn't have any writing on it, but you get that in all your bags. Do have the silver hardware if you was wanting to know. I think all the bags come with silver hardware. If you want to add gold, you would just have to buy you a extra strap. And this looks like a pretty good size for what I would use it for, like to throw my cell phone, my key pouch, my card case, and a few other things. So yeah, this is more like a grab and go type of bag. And I can also fit my vlogging camera in here as well. Camera until it dies, and when it dies, I'll pull out my iPhone. That's why I was like, I'm not going to purchase an additional battery for my camera. So yeah, for that iPhone 12 Pro Max camera, and video is bomb, y'all. Like, it's so nice and clear. Here is the inside, and you do have the Marc Jacobs writing on the piping of the bag, which is in black and white as well. I don't think you would have to worry too much about color transfer, but I do see this bag collecting a lot of dust. Well, you know, like lint and everything. But I don't think I should. I mean, I don't think that would be a deal breaker for me, because I love this here tote line so much, you all, that I probably can look past that. And here on the side is, like I said, is where you can slide your zipper pull tab, I guess, to keep it from like flopping around like this. So you could just tuck it here. And so it's just so cute and little, you all. Like, it's the perfect size. See why a lot of people purchase the mini. I just wish that it came in more colors than the 3 colors that they have. Like I said, again, the slate green, blue, and this here black and white. Maybe they may down the line add more color, or going into spring and summer soon, so they may add more colors, because this here would be so cute in like those pretty pop of color bags, like the yellow, the gold. They have like a pinkish color, but I think that's only for the large tote. So yeah, Marc Jacob, if you out there and you can hear your girl, add some more colors to this mini tote, because this here is a really good size for like an everyday type of bag. The small totes are a good size as well, but this here again would be nice to have in more colors. I got this sweater on. Show you a few modeling shots, because y'all know I will do a what fits in this bag video soon, that I would just carry it like so, like in the crook of my arm. You can also carry it handheld, and you can also carry it as a crossbody. Oh, let me show y'all something. Show y'all this here card case that I got the other day. I did do a unboxing, so that's why you have to subscribe so you won't miss the unboxing. So yeah, like this is the stuff that I would carry this bag. You know, like my keys, I have my iPhone, and like I said, by being so big, I do have to have a pop socket on here, and so I would just throw all that inside of my bag. And of course, as y'all can see, more can fit, but that would be for a later video. So yeah, y'all, this is so cute. I see why y'all love the mini. I just didn't look to purchase a mini. I was all hung over the smalls, and since I got the two colors that I really wanted with the small, I was like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and grab one more. So now I got a total of 3 minus that teddy tote, at 4 teddy totes. Well, not teddy totes, but the tote bag collection. I would have had 4 total, but like I said, I'm in the process of trying to figure something out with that teddy tote. This here is the mini. So if you have this mini, you know how you take care of this mini. Like, do you have issues with lint getting on the bag? Like, you know, is it always I don't know. I don't know. Like, if y'all have this bag, let me know down below if y'all experience the bag getting a lot of lint on it, or if it's like color transfer or whatever. Just like let me know if you experience the bag like looking ashy or whatever. So yeah, because like I said, this is my first time ever purchasing canvas type bags, and I do know within time black will look a little different. Like, as you can see, it's dark black, but I know within time it may look ashy. I could be wrong. That being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed my unboxing, because I am so excited to play with this hair mini. Start putting some stuff in this hair mini. I may wear it today because I'm about to run out. So make sure you are subscribed, because like I said, I will be doing a video on how it looks on my body, and also what I will carry in this hair particular bag. Give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, it will be a next time, you all. I will talk to you later. Bye.